searched this area of the North Island looking for unreported invasive animals.
We were out early, and soon we were in a big forest looking for unreported invasive species.
We saw something alarming. Was that smoke? Was there a forest fire? We investigated.
Hey everybody, we've stumbled across a geothermal spring here, which is heated water coming up through the ground up to the surface.
Wow.
Let's go explore.
All right.
All right.
Geothermal springs form when melted rock deep in the earth heats underground water, creating steam. The steam forces its way to the surface, pushing the hot water ahead of it.
Some kinds of life live in hot springs. These green and yellow mats are made up of microorganisms called cyanobacteria. They can live in scalding hot water that would kill most living things. Cyanobacteria use photosynthesis to create food from sunlight, like plants do.
Shoreflies can tolerate hot water too. The cyanobacteria are food for the flies.
Hot water shot up into the air.
This white stuff isn't salt or snow. It's a kind of mineral that's dissolved in the hot water but hardens when the water cools. Wow, what an amazing place!
And now,
It's time to play
Mystery Sounds.
Hint:
It's flightless.
We continued hiking in the forest.
We found a wetland. There was something in the water.
It came out of the water.
It was a takahe. It is a flightless bird and endemic to New Zealand. They were once believed to be extinct, but a few were discovered after many, many years of searching. Scientists put leg bands on this one so they could study it.
Takahe eat mostly plants. I think it's a gorgeous bird. We were so lucky to see one.
Hey everybody, we're in the forest and we're about to cross a suspension bridge over a gully. A small stream runs through there, so we can get to the forest on the other side.
Cool, let's go.
All right.
Below us was a thick forest. We could see the tops of tree ferns.
Oh, it's neat to see the top of it. That is gorgeous.
We went down to get a better look.
These tree ferns are endemic to New Zealand. They can grow to over 20 feet tall and can live around 150 years.
Beth spotted an invasive species trap.
New Zealanders are working together to get rid of invasive species, but it's hard to find and remove them all.
Overhead, parrots squawked in the trees. This is a kaka parrot. It's an endemic species.
We saw a bird feeder nearby. A kaka parrot had figured out how to get the food. It used its 4 toes to hold the food. What a beautiful parrot!
Something ran down the trail. They're California quail. They were introduced about 165 years ago for hunting.
There was an endemic bird in the tree right next to us. It was a kokako. They eat mostly fruit and leaves. I love its call.
We walked on to a stream.
There was something big in the water.
It was a long fin eel. They are endemic to New Zealand. The adult eels eat mostly fish. Soon, more of them gathered next to some stairs leading into the stream. Wow!
A park ranger arrived and began feeding them. It was an incredible sight. These eels can reach 8 feet in length.
Once he stopped feeding them, they soon left. Bye-bye, eels.